Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use your Lightburn camera. We are using Mirror 7S machine today. Now let's power it on and plug the USB cable into your machine and computer. Then open the lid. Make sure it's fully open. The camera is located here with few lights set on both sides. The lights can be adjusted in stepless mode, so you can control it as much as you want. Open Lightburn. Go to Devices. Select the machine you are connected to. If you don't have camera control in the lower right part of the interface, go to Window and select it. It just appeared here. Now go to Laser Tools and select Calibrate Camera Lens. Select AEON camera and Standard Lens. As for the preset, you need to choose the one for your machine. For this Mirror 7S, we choose 5MP90. Then, place your material on the workspace. We are using this thin wooden board. After it's done, click Next. Select Align Camera. Select AEON camera, then click Next. Here, enter your settings. And click Frame. Close the machine's lid. Then click Start. When it's finished, click Next. Now open the lid. Select Capture Image. Here you need to move the laser head out of the camera view. Click again. It's okay now. Click Next to continue. Then, zoom in on each marker and double-click the center of the marker. From marker 1 all the way to marker 4. Alright, click Next. You're done. Click Finish. Remove the wooden board and put our materials on the work table. In Lightburn, go to Camera Control. Click Update Overlay. Now we can use the calibrated camera to position our prepared or extracted design precisely where we want to engrave. And today we are going to extract the design from the paper on the right and engrave it onto the coasters on the left. Click Trace. Now we need to adjust the parameters. You can adjust it yourself to achieve the appropriate parameters. And select the pattern. Click OK. Here in the top left corner, we can adjust it to a suitable size. Then drag it to the position where you want to engrave. We need to place a pattern on each of the 6 coasters. Set engraving parameters. Once all the patterns are selected, you can start engraving.